Buying a car is probably the second biggest purchase you'll ever make, but you'll also probably get to spend very little time behind the wheel of that car that you're about to spend so much money on, unless you're in the market for a Mini Cooper. The Mini Test Drive program lets potential purchasers drive a Mini on a special road course just for the fun of it.
How are you doing? Good. All right. You want to learn how to use that Sport Shift?
There's no charge for the program, and there's no salesperson pressuring you to buy. Of course, the company is hoping you will buy a Mini after having had so much fun driving it. Drivers can choose from Cooper or Cooper S models with either manual transmission or Mini's continuously variable transmission, which is kind of like an automatic transmission, only without noticeable gear changes. Now, as for me, I think I'm going to go for the pretty little sporty red number. To register for the program, drivers simply sign up online at Mini's website and choose the location, day, and time of their choice. To get you started, instructors provide information about the car and the course. The course is carefully marked out with cones, and you can have a barrel of fun whipping through the road course and the slalom.
All right, so remember 9 and 3 on the wheel like the racers do. There you go. We can actually adjust it a little lower. There you go. Is that easier for you?
Yeah.
Because of its comparatively wide base, the Mini corners really well. And if you make a mistake, the only casualties will be bent traffic cones. The 3-day Mini Test Drive program moves from city to city across the country, so you'll need to check when and where it will be in your area. Woo! Tiny but powerful. You know, the Mini Cooper Test Drive really is a great way to let people experience the limits of a new Mini Cooper without having to buy one first, and that has got to appeal to a lot of people.